PBA Commissioner Willie Marshall is drumming up enthusiasm for the upcoming Commissioner's Cup Finals. Marshall says this series will be good not just for the fans but for the league as well. The PBA will return to the Mall of Asia Arena for the first time in a while for Game 1 tomorrow and Game 2 on Sunday. In terms of officiating, Marshall says the league will most likely rotate a maximum of 10 referees throughout the series. Here's Kume talking about the logistical side of the PBA Finals.
Nagsimula kami 20 referees. Pagdating ng quarterfinals, nag-16 kami. Semifinals, nag-14. Baka dito, mga 8 to 10 referees na lang. Tingnan natin, ginagawa naman ng technical committee. Nagsususpendi tayo. At ngayon, hindi sila luluhod. Ako luluhod sa kanila. Tama na reklamo. Hindi, biro lang. Coach, I love you. Yung mga ibang venues natin, nahihirapan naman tayo sa schedules. May mga concerts, may mga iba't ibang events sila, kaya nahihirapan tayo. Ngayon, naibigay sa atin yung Game 1 and 2 sa MOA. So talagang kinuha na natin. Kung ano yung pinakamagandang available, kinukuha natin. Wala ka na hanapin pa dito from the coaches, players, imports, at management. Ito, katulad na sinabi ko rin, at parati ko sinasabi, ito, good for the fans, good for the PBA, at ito yung top 2 best teams in this conference. So maganda itong labanan na to.